One hit wasn't enough, but I'm not giving up!
Loser, I'm scared!
A crack. What could cause a crack to form here?
Screw you, Moon! You can't control me!
3 hours are up! Clock has the twinkle, so the losers fittingly lose. Vote in the comments using the letter and square brackets under who deserves to be
Alright, Robot Flower, you're going to translate our inputs into signals that the ship can send to remote. We have to trust you, okay? Don't break the signal. Got it, GB. Alright, let's go! Huh? Where am I?
This doesn't seem very ethical.
Hey, the ball's heading for Let's go!
A remote's a person. We used to play tetherball.
Huh? Remote, what are you doing?
Somebody help me.
Go left! Go right!
Do a dance.
People, we're doing our best, but this is an unstable situation.
Whoa, what's going on?
Instability! Rusty is here to protect!
Cut. Please go through. Please go through.
Wait, what is this?
Not today, whoever you are.
What's going on? She's not responding to our controls.
Something's wrong! Hands off! Hands off!
No, this can't be happening. How can I close connection? When did this get here?
8-Ball, check the ship.
Got it.
GB, keep an eye on the dish.
What? Who do you think you... you're right. I'm on it. We have to trust you, okay? Don't break the signal. Ow!
Go!
Take that, better namers.
Feels good to score a completely defenseless goal.
Wait, what? Robot Flower, you promised not to break the signal!
TV, did you know about this?
I side with Robot Floor. Mechanical minds stick together.
Vote in the comments using the letter and square brackets under who deserves to be. Question 1.
Okay, Bubble, you're great at mental contests.
She's so dumb that she doesn't know how to count to 3.
You got this.
Ooba wooba grooba schmooba.
Huh?
Fruba dwooba.
Correct! Death pact is safe.
Huh?
Bubble, did you seriously not know the answer was Fruba Dwooba?
Yeah, what the flake was that?
I didn't know the answer was.
Jeez, this is unacceptable. Try harder, Bob, or else your membership is in danger.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Question 2.